Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port and headphone jack board on the Samsung Galaxy A20 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover around the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While taking out the back cover, be gentle. The fingerprint button is attached to the back cover. Hold the fingerprint button and pull out the back cover. Take out the back cover and pull out the fingerprint button flex by disconnecting the plug. Next, take out the mid frame by undoing 12 screws from the top and bottom sections. Before that, make sure the SIM tray is out. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back car frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and disconnect the main flex and antenna head from the charging port board. Next, take out the not working charging port board from the body. If needed, use a heat gun to soften the adhesive under the board. Next, place a new charging port board in the body. Next, secure the main flex and antenna head to the board. Next, secure the battery plug. And then place the mid frame in the body by securing 12 screws from the top and bottom sections. Ensure the clips are fastened before inserting screws. Next, connect and place the fingerprint button. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A20 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.